All right, so removing the dash cover here on the Hijet is the easiest thing in the world. There's 2 Phillips head screws. Just get a short stubby screwdriver like this. Unscrew them, they're right up under here. 1 and 2. And then there's 3 little spots underneath where you can fit in a flathead and kind of pry up the dash. And then from there, it's just loosening these pressure fits. There's one down here, and there's one on the other side over here. The only other thing to be aware of is the 4-wheel drive button is connected to a switch, which is wired in there. That's the only other thing holding on. And then there's like there's kind of some pressure fits around. So just be careful. Once you get it out like this, you want to unclip that 4-wheel drive switch. And then from there, it's just a matter of wiggling it out. And there it is. So easy as that. And then you can access whatever you need to under here if you need to do any wiring like the radio or anything like that. Take this out. It's just a couple more screws holding it in. And yeah,